Hey there, it's Rob from mattressinsider.com. Buying a comfortable RV mattress that fits your budget shouldn't be confusing or difficult. So, to make it easier, I'm going to break down the process into 3 simple steps. Step 1 is to determine the size of the mattress you need. So, grab your tape measure and take measurements of the length, width, and depth where the mattress needs to fit. Now, don't measure your existing RV mattress. Measure the surface the mattress rests on because your current mattress may not be the right size. Once you know the dimensions, you'll know if you can get a standard size mattress or need a custom mattress. Standard size RV mattresses are less expensive, but if a standard size won't fit in your RV or be comfortable to sleep on, then you'll need to order a custom size or shape. But don't worry, this isn't a problem and it may not be as expensive as you think. At Mattress Insider, we make custom RV mattresses that fit our clients' budgets all the time. We've even made a mattress in the shape of Texas. Now, step 2 is to choose the type of RV mattress you want. The 3 most common types are polyurethane foam, memory foam, and latex. Polyurethane foam mattresses are typically the least expensive, the least durable, and they tend to have more of a harder feel. They're a good choice if you don't sleep in your RV often or you're buying bunk mattresses for the kids. Now, memory foam mattresses are a higher quality than polyurethane foam mattresses. They're usually thicker, they last longer, they support more body weight, and they do a fantastic job of contouring around the unique shape of your body, and they relieve pressure points. They also tend to come in that medium firmness that most people prefer. Since memory foam is the most popular of the 3 options, I want to give you a few tips to keep in mind when you're shopping. Number 1, when possible, opt for a model which uses gel-infused memory foam. They tend to sleep a few degrees cooler than traditional memory foam mattresses. Number 2, look for a model which is double-sided. That's going to give you an option of 2 different mattress firmnesses. The top will be the softer memory foam side, and the bottom will be a firmer polyurethane foam side. Number 3, make sure the memory foam used is between 3 to 4 pounds density. Foams higher than 4 pounds tend to sleep hot, and foams lower than 3 pounds tend to be less durable. Another common RV mattress type is latex. Latex RV mattresses are an excellent choice if you spend a lot of time in your RV and you prefer a cushion firm feel. They tend to be more durable than memory foam and polyurethane foam mattresses. It's best to choose natural latex rather than synthetic or blended. Not only will it last longer, but it's also eco-friendly and naturally hypoallergenic, dust mite resistant, and antibacterial. Mattress Insider can make foam, memory foam, and latex mattresses in almost any size or any shape. The final step is to talk to the mattress supplier and ask questions before you buy. Confirm the return policy doesn't require that you ship the mattress back, which will cost you hundreds of dollars. Mattress Insider's 365-day money-back guarantee was designed so you'll avoid return problems and high costs. Make sure the supplier you're buying from uses only CertaPurist certified foam. That means the foam in the mattress has been tested to meet CertaPure US rigorous standards for emissions, content, performance, and durability. It's not going to contain heavy metals or toxic chemicals like formaldehyde. Finally, did you know some retailers lie about the density of their foam mattresses, materials, and more? Make sure the RV mattress supplier you buy from is trustworthy. Check their third-party reviews and get recommendations from friends and family who have purchased RV mattresses. Once you know the mattress size and type you need, and you've chosen a mattress supplier to buy from, it's time to buy your new RV mattress. The Mattress Insider team can help you every step of the way. Please read our online reviews and you'll see we have a great reputation and a long history of helping customers. So visit mattressinsider.com or call 888-488-1468 to get started.